Welcome to the first VegFest.
No, I'm not going to. I'm committed myself.
Hi, do you guys want to talk a little bit about what you're doing here? Definitely. So this is the booth for the Farm Animal Rights Movement, and we're a nonprofit that's been around for about 40 years, and we really encourage education and activism. So we're here trying to get people signed up to be activists, and also educating people with our 10 Million Lives tour you can see over here, where we pay people $1 to watch a 4-minute video on how animals are treated on farms.
That is awesome. Thank you so much for the work that you guys are doing.
Thank you for being here.
Woohoo! Yes. Very nice.
This is my favorite health food store in Orange County. I had to stop and get a fresh green juice. This is Cow Hugger. Look at all these cute vegan bags they have. Had a lot of fun looking around this booth. Tons of cute accessories, t-shirts, and I love these cute little handbags. There were so many companies sampling out their products. I loved these coconut bars. They were delicious. They had other flavors as well, made with chia seed, pistachios, and figs. Some chocolates from Melinda's. These were a big hit with a lot of people. And they came prepared too, with plenty of samples. Had to get another green juice. This is from the Raw Juicery. I also stopped by the Genius Juice booth to try one of their organic coconut smoothies. Very coconutty and delicious. And of course, I had to stop by and say hi to Sweet Simple Vegan. Do you guys know Jasmine? I absolutely adore her.
How are you? Good. So what are you promoting?
I have my t-shirts, my tote bags, my scrunchies, headbands, and my watches.
Very cool.
Yeah, my pineapple watches. Thank you so much.
More cool t-shirts from Vegans Rock Apparel.
We're a nonprofit organization that empowers girls to be strong, smart, and bold, and we have after school and summer programs for girls 4.5 all the way up to 18. And for high school we have like ACT preps, we have SAT preps, we have personal statement workshops, and these two right here are our upcoming events. So for this one we're going to be having workshops about all these topics right here, and it's for parents and their middle school and high school students, children. And for this one, we're going to be having girls come in and they're going to be designing Barbie doll clothes with 3D pens. And the topic that we're going to be trying to attack with this event is body image and confidence, pretty much. So we're going to be trying to help you build up your self-esteem. And if you're interested, there's a sign-up sheet right here.
That's awesome. And do you guys talk about veganism or anything like that?
Yes. So we're with TLC, and it's pretty much it's within Girls Incorporated, and we do 3 projects. And our project, the reason why we're here today, is that we're trying to promote healthy on a budget. So if you have low income, it'll still be easy to maintain a balanced diet. We have right here some recipes that are really easy and simple and affordable and tasty that you can do at home. And these are just some visuals of food that we personally would take to lunch with us. And
That's so cool. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
The VegFest also provided a whole area for young children with games and activities to keep them active and occupied throughout the day. They had cooking demos, an incredible lineup of guest speakers, and even yoga. And of course, no VegFest would be complete without PETA. They had awesome t-shirts and plenty of information like their vegan starter kit for those who are interested in a plant-based diet.
It's made from food-safe plastic. It's a water reservoir. Down here it holds 20 gallons, and basically it's an aeroponic and an aquaponic growing system. There's no soil involved, so no weeds. You start your plant. It's called rock wool. You start your seed, and then when it gets to be a little seedling, you put it in a little basket, and you put the basket in the container. So this is sage growing, and the water pumps up, and then it drips down on the plant roots. To water them, you put nutrients in the water, and then you can basically harvest straight from the growing plants. So you want to make some basil and tomato. Pull the leaf. This one has actually been growing for about 5 weeks indoors with grow lights.
Oh, wow.
It's fine because nothing flowers, it doesn't need pollinators. But things that need pollinators are better outside, so you don't have to do it self-pollinate. You can basically grow anything in here, flowers, plants, except for root vegetables. Root vegetables don't really work in it.
Oh, okay.
Just by the nature of how they're grown. But you can grow melons, tomatoes.
Wow.
You grow those down towards the bottom and they can go down, or you can set up a trellis next to it to grow up on the trellis.
Beagles are the most popular animal breed for lab testing because of their docile, trusting personalities. So please support the Beagle Freedom Project because they are helping to save these amazing dogs. Barks of Love is another great organization that is a foster-based, all-breed dog rescue in Orange County. Another great organization, museumofanimals.org, promotes respect for life and compassionate ethics in advancing healthy, meaningful interconnections with the animal world. I love these t-shirts from United Poultry Concerns, promoting the compassionate and respectful treatment of domestic fowl. There was no shortage of vegan food options here at the VegFest. With no way to show all of them, trust me, you had the best of the best to choose from. My dear friend Christina Rendon interviewed me for her YouTube channel. She's done so many wonderful interviews with a variety of people in the raw food movement. And finally, there was a wide variety of incredible entertainment throughout the day. This Michael Jackson impersonator was so good. A true crowd favorite. If you like this video, be sure to check out my farmer's market video. I think you'll really like it. Thanks for watching.